how to purge your Keurig K Supreme Plus coffee maker to hopefully reset it to get it back to brewing full cups of coffee. So just like I said, you're going to want to do this if your coffee maker is not brewing full cups of coffee. It's not giving you the volume that it's supposed to be giving to you, or you might see that the coffee is just barely dripping out of it. We can actually purge it. Now you might need to do a full-scale descaling. This is not going to show you how to do that, and there is also a pin that you can use to clean it out. But in the event that it's not calling for descaling and it is not totally clogged, but it is just not filling up your cup, a purging of it can help everything get cleaned out, and it's quite simple to do. First of all, just put a cup underneath your coffee maker because it's going to have water purge out of it that you're going to want to discard. But anyways, you're going to want to turn your coffee maker off, and then you're going to find the brew button here and the 12-ounce button here. And from the off position, we're going to press and hold the brew button and the 12-ounce button simultaneously for about 5 seconds until water starts, you hear it come on and it starts to pump water out of the machine. And obviously to do this, you're going to want to have water in the reservoir. So once it starts to flow water, purge water out, you can go ahead and let go of these buttons and allow it to finish its purge. Discard the water and see if that doesn't fix the issue. If it doesn't fix the issue, you may need to do a full-scale descaling or actually manually clean out the water lines. If the purging worked for you, I'd really appreciate it if you'd leave me a like. And if you do need to move on to a full-scale descaling, I'll put a link in the description below to where you can get the descaling tablets.